In this video, I'm going to talk through the various DIY options we have at the orchard for you to get your essential legal protection in place. So DIY obviously means do it yourself, and it's the most hands-off way that we have to help you. So essentially it means buying templates and you fill in those templates yourself. The templates are drafted by me for businesses just like yours. They are a great starting place and they have notes in and options that I have pulled together and added to the document because of all of the coaches, consultants, and online business owners I've helped over the years. I know the sorts of things that come up for them in their business. And so I've taken all of these things and added in options and wording to try and save you the hassle, head those things off at the pass. So it's full of notes and options to put you in the strongest possible position. Most of the documents as well come with a video or an audio of me talking through the document, kind of a friendly expert in your ear, helping and guiding you through the document. So it's super simple and straightforward. We do single documents that could be contracts and terms and conditions and certification agreements and VA agreements, for example. And all of those single documents are £195, including VAT for each document. We also have bundles of documents. So we have a legal essentials bundle that's one of our most popular things that we sell overall, actually. And that includes one contract document and also your website documents, and that is £295. And we get you to fill in a form that helps us to work out which is the most relevant type of contract, if you're doing your client contract for you, for what you're promoting at the moment, and we send that document to you. So it's nice and straightforward, it's nice and simple. And you just fill in the templates. So there are individual templates, and we also do bundles of templates as well. Something that I wanted to say about this type of support, and this is new, is that we don't want to leave anyone behind. And I know that this option is very tempting when you're first starting out, and the fact that it's not an ongoing subscription you might find really attractive, but sometimes the price point might stop you. So what I wanted to say to you, especially bearing in mind, the economic difficulties that have been going on for the last, it's a good 18 months, isn't it, now, at the time I'm doing this video. I know sometimes it's a bit of a struggle, and I don't want any of you going out there with your wonderful services, all the fantastic ways in which you can help people and their businesses and their families and their relationships and their animals, without having good, strong protection in place for you and your business. And that's going to help you to launch it and get things out there as well. So if you have been holding back from buying a template because it's a bit difficult for you cash flow wise at the moment, then I would ask you to get in touch and explain the situation to us, and we will try to come up with a payment plan that enables you to spread the cost of payments to make it something that you can afford. Now, our preference as a small business owner, because we have to watch our cash flows as well, is to go the normal route and for you to pay for the template when you buy it. However, if things are difficult in terms of cash flow, please do reach out and we will see what we can do for you. And so that's it. Those are the DIY options. There are different bundles that we've put together. There's a community bundle as well. If you're doing, if you've got a membership, it's got membership terms and conditions, the website documents, and all of the community stuff as well if you have an online community such as a Facebook group, for example. So that's a really lovely bundle as well. So if you want some more information, then click on the links around here somewhere. There'll be more information for you to find out some details.